talk about an algorithm. In the context of a computer program, an algorithm is a set of rules that comes in a sequence, and the computer program needs to follow these rules to accomplish a task. The simplest analogy is a cooking recipe. You have your ingredients and you have a recipe. If you follow the steps of the recipe, you're going to make sure that the food comes out just right. However, if you mistake these steps or ignore some of these steps, you cannot guarantee that the food is going to be delicious. So basically, the algorithms are the recipes for the computer programs to accomplish different tasks. And these recipes can be as simple as adding two numbers together, or a recipe for showing my face on your computer's screen, or it can be as complex as training a machine learning model for self-driving cars. And this is the basic of an algorithm.